My dear students, in today's class we are going to discuss the topic that is statistics. So this is your chapter number 15. So statistics, my dear students. So since from the 8th standard we are studying this statistics. In 8th standard already you learned how to handle the data handling we discussed, and in the 9th 10th also we discussed the statistics, is it? So in that standard you discussed, so what is mean by grouped data, what is mean by ungrouped data, what is mean, what is mode, is it, and what is median. That all information you learned in the earlier classes. So in class 11th just we will discuss by using all those concepts. We are going to calculate mainly, briefly I am discussing in this topic how to calculate the mean deviation for the grouped data. Clear? So my dear students, here we are only concentrating the briefly what is the important in this topic are there that I am going to discuss. So I am not discussing all those concepts like what is mean, what is mode, and what is formulas for all those, that I am not discussing. Just directly I am discussing the concept, that is how to calculate the mean deviation for the grouped data. Clear? So if you require that how to calculate the mean, what is mode, what is median, if you want those information means please refer your 8th, 9th, 10th, so that you can understand easily. So here directly I will use the how to calculate the mean deviation for the grouped data. Clear? So this is enough. If you know in this standard, class 11th, if you know this much, that's enough, my dear students. Clear? I am not discussing the detail, just I am discussing the, here it is the conceptual, it means what is required, that only I am discussing. Clear? So please remember this one. So mean deviation for the grouped data. You also know, as I told, you also know the differences between the grouped and ungrouped data, is it? So here it is, my dear students, I am discussing the mean deviation for the grouped data. Clear? So what is the formula? First formula is how to calculate the mean, that already we know, and the symbol for the mean is x bar. Clear? So my dear students, mean deviation for the grouped data, that mean, the symbol is x bar, can be calculated by using this formula 1 divided by n summation of fi into xi. Obviously you know f means that is frequencies, and here it is x means the number of observations we are taking. This all information you know. So here it is 1 by n. N is nothing but summation of fi. Summation of fi means what? All the frequencies you should add. That will gives you capital N. Clear? And now my dear students, mean deviation about mean. So in this class 11, the important concept is how to calculate mean deviation about mean. So mean deviation about mean can be calculated by using the formula 1 divided by n into summation of fi into xi minus x bar, absolute value, that is nothing but modulus of xi minus x bar. What is x bar? X bar is nothing but that is mean itself. So first you should calculate the mean, and then you should substitute in this formula. So what is xi? Xi means the number of observation, that is I is running from 1 to n, x1 minus x bar, x2 minus x bar, like that you should calculate. Clear? So in detail you will understand while solving the question. Similarly, mean deviation about the median. Here mean deviation about mean is this formula. Mean deviation about median is 1 divided by n into, everything is here it is same, summation of fi, summation of fi, and here it is modulus of xi minus m, and here it is xi minus x bar. If you are calculating mean deviation about mean means you should add here it is x bar. If you are calculating mean deviation about median means xi minus m, here it is. So what is m? M is nothing but a median. So how to calculate this median? This also we studied in the earlier classes, but still once again I am recalling, here it is. So what is that formula median, how to calculate, my dear students? Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus c whole divided by f into h. So where median class, so in such situations you should calculate the median class. So how to calculate the median class, my dear students? Median class is the class interval whose cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to n by 2. It means first we should calculate n. What is n? N is nothing but the total number of frequencies. To that value we should divide with 2. After dividing 2 we will get one number. So what is that one? Here it is the value which is equals to n by 2 or greater than n by 2. That will gives you the, here it is cumulative frequency. That class interval you should take. So that I will discuss in detail while solving the questions. That time you will come to know. And in this formula, what is L denotes? L denotes lower limit in that class interval, and F is nothing but the frequency, and H is nothing but width of the median class. Clear? And C is nothing but the cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class. So median class gina before irtakanta preceding the median class, that value we can call it as C, cumulative frequency. So please remember this formula. By using this formula while solving the questions, clearly you can understand. Clear? So please pause the video to note it down. Next I will discuss the questions, my dear students. Here I wrote the next question, my dear students. Please here it is, don't mind, because already I wrote the question and I solved also. Why I did like this means, each time writing all this and calculating means it will be lengthy process. It means it takes time. So therefore ready-madely I wrote this one. After here it is, after first you write down this and then practice yourself. Clear? Now I will explain. Clear? So don't directly write this table. You should practice yourself, use the calculator and then simplify. Clear? So now my dear students, what is the given question? Here it is, find the mean deviation about, here it is, the given question is find the mean deviation about median for the following data. Clear? So here the data is given to you and they asked you to calculate the mean deviation about median. Clear? So please observe here, the given data is grouped data. Why it is grouped data? It is grouped data because they given you the total marks. Here it is 0 to, in between 0 to 10, how many students got 0 to 10, here it is marks. The number of girls is 6. It means 6 girls got the marks in between 0 to 10. And 10 to 20, how many students? 8 students got. And 20 to 30, how many students? 14 students got. Like this the given data is given to you. Clear? So this is the grouped data. To calculate the mean deviation about mean, so just only before this concept, before writing this question, I discussed the formula for the grouped data, that is mean deviation about median. What is the formula we have? Mean deviation about median formula is 1 divided by n into summation of fi modulus of xi minus m. So this is the formula where m means what, my dear students? M means the median. So what is the formula to calculate the median? The formula for the median is L plus n by 2 minus c divided by f into h. So this is the formula. So in this formula, what should we require? We require the L value, n by 2 value and c value and f into h. So what is L? L means the lower limit. So lower limit. Whose lower limit we should take? The lower limit of the median class. It means we should require first median class. After calculating the median class, we can calculate the L, C, H, F value. Clear? So to calculate all these values, so you should know what is the formula. Then you can understand this is the formula. If you know means you can understand what is required. M we should require to calculate M, median, that is nothing but a median. To calculate M, what should we require? These all information we required. To calculate all this information, first we should know the median class. Clear? So for all this, keeping all this in our mind, we will frame this. Here it is, this table. So for that reason, first write the marks. So what is marks? Here it is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like this marks are there. Then calculate the mid values. So how to calculate the mid values? 0 to 10, 10 plus 0 divided by 2, 10 plus 20 divided by 2 means this will gives you the mid values of this one. First calculate the xi we required in the formula. So therefore I am calculating the mid values. So calculate mid values. So how to calculate middle value you should calculate. Here it is. So xi, that will gives you. And next fi means this is nothing but the frequencies. What is frequencies? How many number of students getting 0 to 10, how many number of girls got? 6 students. So that is nothing but frequencies. These are all frequencies. Clear? So my dear students, we should know first we should calculate the median class. To calculate the median class, what should you know? We know the n by 2 value. N by 2 value. N means what? Capital N is nothing but the total number of frequencies. What these frequencies we should add. If you add all these frequencies, you will get 50. That is capital N value. And then here we should calculate n by 2. So what is n by 2? N value is 50. 50 by 2 is 25. So 25 is n by 2 value. So now we should calculate the median class. So therefore, what is the median class? Median class is nothing but where the 25 is there. So in the middle value 25 is this, here it is. So we should take the middle, here it is, we should take the median class of this one. So this is our median class. Clear? So 25 means here it is where it lies, 25 is in between 20 to 30. So this is our median class. So in that median class, then we by using this one we can calculate the median. Median is equals to, this is the formula. So what is L here? It is L means lower limit of the median class. So this is our median class, here it is 20 to 30. What is the lower limit? Means 20, and here it is, this is upper limit. So lower limit is 20. So therefore L value I am substituting it as 20. What is n by 2? N by 2 already I calculated, that is 25 minus C. C means what? C is nothing but cumulative frequency. How to calculate the cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency can be calculated like this. First frequency write as it is, and next add first two frequencies. This is second cumulative frequency. To write the third cumulative frequency, what should we do? Add all these three. If you add all these three, you will get 28. Next, fourth here, if you want to write this cumulative frequency, means add all this, you will get 44. Add all this, you will get 48. Add all this, here it is. All this if you add means you will get 50. So they like this, we will get the cumulative frequency. So first one is right as it is, and next add these two, you will get this much. Next add these three, you will get this much. Next add 4, you will get this much. Next add the remaining, you will get. Next add all, you will get 50. Clear? So this is all about cumulative frequency. But you should require C value. What is C means? C means that is nothing but the cumulative frequency preceding of the median class. So median class is 20 to 30. So preceding to this one is, what is the preceding? Here it is, C value, here it is. This is median class, because here it is, we should take the value C value as preceding the cumulative frequency preceding to this median class 20 to 30. So to this we should take the preceding cumulative frequency, that is nothing but 14, here it is. So therefore the C value is 14 and whole divided by F. F means that is nothing but frequency. Corresponding to this median class, the frequency is 14. So that's why I wrote F value as 14 into H. H means the width. So 10 to 20, the width is 10, 0 to 10, 10, 20 to 30. The length of this interval is 10. That is nothing but a H value. Clear? So substitute all these values, you will get M value as 27.86. And next, my dear students, substitute this M value here. Clear? Before substituting this, what is the formula we have? Fi into xi minus m. It means next table is, we should frame it as xi minus m. What is m value? M value just only I calculated 27.86. xi means x1, x2, x3, like this we should take here this. So here it is, modulus of 5 minus 27.86, you will get this much. 15 minus 27.86, you will get this much. 25 minus 27.86, you will get this much. 35 minus 27.86, you will get this much. 45 minus 27.86, you will get this much. 55 minus 27.86, you will get this much. So this is all about modulus of these values. But actually summation of Fi into modulus of xi minus m. This table is xi minus m table. To this one you should multiply with the frequencies, that is Fi into xi minus 27.86. Again it means you should multiply this value into this value. If you multiply these two, you will get this much. If you multiply here these two, you will get this much. If you multiply these two, you will get this. If you multiply these two, you will get this much. Multiply this and this frequency and this value, this and this and this, you will get this much. And now you should take the summation. Summation means you should add all this. If you add all this, ultimately you will get 517.16 into 1 by n into this value. So 1 by n value is 1 divided by 50 n value is. So multiply this one, you will get 10.34. Like this you can calculate the mean deviation about the median. Clear? So very easy questions are there, my dear students. You should know how to calculate the mean deviation about the median and mean deviation about the mean. That we are going to discuss next. Yes, another one question I wrote, my dear students, that is all about find the mean deviation about the mean. So previously we discussed mean deviation about the median, we discussed. Now we are going to discuss mean deviation about mean. So what is the given question, my dear students? They given you the data here. This is the grouped data. income per day is 0 to 100 and number of persons is 4, and 100 to 200 income per day 100 to 200 is, that is nothing but a number of persons is 8. So like this, this is the given data, my dear students. By using this we should calculate mean deviation about the mean. So first of all we should know what is the formula. Mean deviation about mean formula is 1 divided by n into summation of fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. It means we should know the xi values and x bar. What is x bar? X bar is nothing but mean. So what is the formula? Mean is equals to 1 divided by n into summation of fi into xi. So therefore by keeping all those formulas in our mind, we should frame the construct. We should frame or construct the table here it is. So first income per day is, we will write like this, and mid values we can calculate 100 plus 0 divided by 2, 100 plus 200, that is 300 divided by 2. We should take the middle value of this one, add these two and divide with 2. We will get the mid values, that is nothing but your xi values. And then fi, that is nothing but frequencies, number of persons. Therefore this is all about the frequencies. So capital N, what is capital N? Capital N is nothing but the sum of the all frequencies we should add, that is nothing but here it is 50. So to calculate x bar, what is the formula? 1 divided by n, capital N value I calculated, that is nothing but 50 into summation of fi into xi. Fi into xi means frequency into this we should multiply. Here it is this value into this value, multiply this value into this value, that is fi xi. You will get this value into this value, this value into this value, multiply these two values, you will get this much. And we should require summation of fi into xi. Summation of fi into xi means what? We should add all this, that will gives you the summation of fi into xi value, my dear students. Clear? We should add all this. Summation means sum of the all this fi into xi, that is nothing but fi into xi. So here it is 17900. So therefore summation of fi into xi value is here it is 17900. So simplify this one, you will get x bar as 358. And then we should know this mean deviation about formula is fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. So already up to here we write fi xi. Next we should require modulus of xi minus x bar. X bar is 358, that I calculated. Xi means x1, you should take here it is 50 minus 358. 150 minus 358, that is you will get this much. 150 minus 358, you will get this much. 250 minus 358, 350 minus 358, like this calculate, you will get modulus of xi minus 358 you will get. But you should also required in the formula fi into this value. So to this value multiply with fi into this value. So this is here this fi, 4 into this value, 8 into this value, 9 into this value, 10 into this value, multiply this like this, you will get this values. So again if you add all these values, then you will get summation of fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. So that value is 7896. So 7896 into this. So simplify this one, you will get this is the answer for the mean deviation about mean. So like this the questions will arise, but your exams are already cancelled. If the exams are there means you will get such type of questions, 5 marks, very important questions. Clear? So in this topic, in this concept, the very important is how to calculate the mean deviation about median and mean deviation about the mean for the grouped data. So this is the main concept, my dear students. Clear? So this is all about the brief introduction. Just it is the briefly I explained what we should study in the statistics. Clear? So this is all about statistics. In the next class, please pause the video, and still if you have any doubts you can comment me. In the next class I am going to discuss the next topic, that is probability. Clear? Thank you.